Global markets have been boosted over the past 24 hours, with equity markets out of the US in particular seeing some relatively strong increases. Markets have been boosted by speculation that the biggest economy in the world, being the US, is going to provide some further stimulus to try and get their economy going. The talk around town is that President Obama will be announcing a big jobs growth package over the next few days, and this could be worth up to $300 billion US. In addition to this, the Australians announced yesterday that their economy grew, and it grew just a little bit stronger than most were expecting. So we have seen some more positive news out over the past 24 hours, and this has boosted equity markets, commodity markets, and also the currency. The Kiwi dollar, of course, has been dropping, and it's dropped around 3 cents in the early part of this week, but we have started to lift just over the past 24 hours, and early on Thursday morning, we were trading just on 83 cents against the US. The red meat sector conference earlier on this week was positive about the outlook for red meat prices, but also very positive about the outlook for sheep and also for lamb prices in particular. We are likely to be underpinned in terms of the market because of a lower supply over the next year to 2 years. But the good news for local farmers is that we have achieved much higher prices in market for our products over the past year to 2 years. Now, this hasn't been achieved before, and in a lot of cases, we are now achieving similar prices to their own domestic markets. This is quite crucial and will underpin prices over the next year to 2 years, assuming that we are able to continue to achieve this. While the Kiwi dollar remains high, and we have been trading around that 51 to 52p mark against the pound, this could put a bit of pressure on prices, but nevertheless, we still remain positive about the outlook, especially over the next year. And this could mean that average prices for lambs in particular could be up around that $110 per head for most farmers here in New Zealand.